Hello and welcome! Do you want to create a seller registration page just like this one on your website? Let's jump on this video to see how we can create using Shipturtle. From the Shipturtle dashboard, go to the Settings, and then Multi-Vendor Settings. Here you will find the option to customize website. Here, go to the Generate iframe code. This will allow you to add fields that you need in your page. Add any new field that you require. Check the required box if you want it mandatory. To fill, uncheck if not. Click on Delete icon to delete the particular field. There are other options available as well, like text customization, description, submit button text, existing seller button, branding settings like logo, colors, fonts, etc., where you can do the changes according to your need. Once the changes are done, click on Save, and then copy the iframe code as shown. Go to the Shopify domain page where you will find Sales Channel, then go to the online store. Here you can find the Action button, which will help you find Edit Code option. Click on it, and then move to Add a new template. Select the template type as Page, and then select the Liquid option and give a name to your page. After all these steps, click on Done. Now paste the iframe code that we copied from Shipturtle's app, and then click on Save. Then go to the Assets, click on Add a new asset. Create a blank file. Choose JS extension. Name this file as Countries and States to get the Countries and States drop down on the vendor page, and then click on Save. Now go to the Shipturtle dashboard, and then Generate Template Code. Scroll all the way down to Download TXT, then copy the code. Paste the code in the Assets page created on the Shopify page, and then click on Save. Now to have a preview of the page created, go to the Pages section, look for the page you named, click on it, add the title, description, visibility, etc. To view, click on the View button. And here we have the vendor registration page. Now go to the Content section, click on Menus. Click on Main Menu, then add menu item labeled as Sell with Us, and select Page, and then the page that you created. Then click on Save. Here is the page that we created for vendor registration page for any vendors to come to your website and get your approval to become a vendor on your site. Now if you wish to delete this page from Shopify homepage, you can click on Delete icon to delete the page. Thank you for watching.